today we're in my cabinet shop and we got this grinder rocks diamond tips that we wanted to test out. And these ones are usually for marble, clay, and other materials, but we want to always try different things. We're going to try it on wood, see how it works, test it out, see what we will find out. Glasses. So now we see that it also works with wood to break the edge so it's not sharp like this. We rounded over the edge with that, and we're gonna test it out, see what it does if we try to do an indentation. And we're gonna try the other one right now. Take it out with a crescent wrench or pliers. It doesn't come with your own wrench, so make sure you have one available if you want to switch them out like we do. Otherwise it's really hard to take it out by hand, because once you use it, it locks itself. As you see, we took out the pin, not everything, but it works. And we're gonna try to break the edge so it's not that sharp. So we do a lot of rusted stuff, and so we don't want to do it by hand or with a block of wood, so we always use drills. It's a lot faster for us. And just when we're doing rustic stuff, it's really nice to have tools available.